No STCW, nothing like that at all? Okay, well, have a good one, man. You guys deserve it. Anyway, welcome to everybody's favorite island. Hope you are enjoying your cruise. I'm from the United States, if you couldn't tell from my exotic accent. For those of you who look familiar, welcome back, guys. Welcome back. I've been living here for a long time, so check out the office. Not so bad, right? Not so bad. I'm sorry about that hat you're wearing there, brother. I waited 12 years for that game. So anyway, if it's your first time down here in St. Martin, there's 37 beautiful beaches. We're about to go to Great Bay Beach. That's first stop out of all 37. The food down here is awesome. It's lunchtime. So maybe you want to put the buffet on hold and get food after the cut. This island's got some of the best food on your itinerary, so let me know. And everywhere you go shopping is practically free. So if you're looking for some souvenirs, maybe you want to get a ring size, maybe you want to get a shirt like this. I come in handy on a hot day or a rainy day. Maybe you're looking for some electronics, exotic, whatever the case. I do know most of the shop owners up and down the street, so if you're curious about anything, let me know. I'll do my best.